And for today, I'm gonna try and replace the wiper washer tank. This is a brand new Taiwanese brand. Can't find brand new Honda. Or even a used one in good condition. This is from Lian Touch, I don't know. Made in Taiwan. I think you can buy them on eBay, AliExpress, Alibaba, other online shopping platforms. You may need open wrench, 10mm, and a socket type wrench. So basically, I removed the headlight, corner lamp. I don't know where it is, but I decided to remove it, and also the front bumper. The fender, you don't really need to remove it, but I'm kind of painting right now, so we need to remove 3 bolts. We have one here, over here, and then the last one is over here. So for me, the last bolt that I'm gonna remove will be this one. So first thing is this first bolt. My socket wrench doesn't really fit in. There you go. Having a hard time using this a while ago, so I just loosen up the bolts using a 10mm open wrench. You just need to spend some time with it, be patient. It's already loose, so I think the socket wrench will now work. Here we go. There, it's out. And then the next one is the one at the top. This one is already loose. There you go. So we don't have to spend a lot of time shooting the video, and it's all rusty. And then where is the third bolt? Third bolt will be this one. You may want or you need someone to help you out with this. It might drop off, or you can use your left foot like what I'm doing right now. She's out, but we're not yet in the clear. And this little sucker here is the hardest part to remove. You also need to clear some wires. This is just a grounding kit or ground wire, so this one is already loose. Go, she's out. And what we need to do is we need to turn this. Yeah. Why am I still having a hard time? Oh, my bad. You still need to remove this. What you call this? Is it a brace or bracket? So there are 2 10mm bolt. Yep, I need to remove them. They're already loose. I removed them a while ago. There you go. And they're all out. Okay. They're all rusty. We need to do something about them later on. So the reason why we need to remove this bracket so that we can go ahead and turn this. We cannot simply just pull this out. There you go. See this clamp or sucker over here? This, what you call that, bracket? It's in the way, and we don't want to remove the, what you call it, the dryer filter. We don't want to lose freon and spend another bucks on repairing or charging the freon. So we need to turn this all the way here so we can go ahead and clear it. There you go. Just take note of the wires, and bada boom, she's out. Just what I said a while ago. Take note of the wires, and we have one dangling over here. Okay, so she's out. I think this is also made in Taiwan, or maybe Honda original, not sure. I'm gonna clean this up next time. But this one is not working anymore, and it's been leaking like hell, so I'm gonna replace it. Okie dokes. To remove, or to install the new wiper washer tank, make sure you remove the cap first. You don't really want them to get in the way, and just do everything in reverse. I hope I can get this in one shot. This is like my third time trying to install this crappy tank. There. Okay. There you go. Alright. Then turn it to maybe clockwise. You can try counterclockwise, whatever that will work for you. And it's not working at the moment. What the hell is going on? Why? Maybe they have different sizes. Come on, turn, baby. Maybe there are some wires. I don't know. They're all clear. This is the problem. Turning this. You can try clockwise, counterclockwise. Maybe counterclockwise will work. Let's check. Oh, okay. There you go. And then just a little more. There. All right. Okie dokes. So where's my left foot? Yep. Go. Install this right here. Sorry guys, I don't have someone to help me shooting this darn video. Okay. Alright. So we are halfway finished. Just gonna fix the wirings later on. So once you install the top bolt, do the one at the bottom, or maybe install back the bracket first. Now let's try to install this bolt first over here. Yeah. It's like 5 p.m. now, but I ain't gonna tighten them up. You know the drill. You can just, where's the bracket? And then for the brackets, just to install them back, how to install this. How to install the bracket. There. Are you getting it? Do I really need to show you guys how to? Wait. So I'm gonna try and install this by one hand. I know, should get a tripod, but I do have it. It's just sitting right next to me, but I'm too lazy to set things up. Anyway, we're almost done. Yeah. I don't really need to tighten them up. Oops! Something's wrong. Need to take note, the plastic part should be on the outer side. So you need to we need to remove this again. And my bad. There. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. All right. Whew. This is just like working out. I'm so tired. Okie dokes, just one more bolt to go. And we're all set. There. It's just full of rust, so that's why it's having a hard time installing it. But there you go, it's installed. Then install back the power lines. I'm just not sure why I have two sets over here, so I ain't gonna test this today. I need to see a professional or an electrician who will try this out for me. They need to check if the wires are in good condition, but you just plug this in over here and it should be all set. Right, so the Taiwanese wiper washer tank fits, no questions. It's just freaking hard to remove and install them. You need to remove the front bumper, headlight, corner lamp, never mind the fenders. Just doing some lousy paint job. Okay, install the cap. Not really a paint job, the undercarriage or underbody. Okay, it's time for me to take a break, and if you need how-tos on removing the front bumper, I think I also have a link for that. But that's all for now, so see you next time. Adios.